Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reset YouTube Shorts recommendations. Are you seeing weird or unrelated shorts on YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your YouTube Shorts recommendation and get videos you actually like. Now let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to clear watch and search history. And to do that, just open the YouTube app. Just gonna open the YouTube app like this. After that, we're gonna tap on the profile icon. Let's go here. I'm gonna reconnect my network. And then we're gonna click on our profile picture. Now here we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna go to history and privacy. Let's see history here. Let's click on manage all history. Now here you're gonna be directed to your history configuration. When it appears, tap on Clear Search History to remove past searches. The second step is to reset Shorts preference. While watching a short video, tap Not Interested. Let's see here. Let's look for the Not Interested. Let's click on the tree and click on Not Interested or Don't Recommend this channel, depending on what you want. Like this, I'm gonna click Not Interested, and you can choose the reason why it's not interested. You can say it's boring, and repeat this on multiple videos to reset recommendations. Third step is to watch new content to train the algorithm. Search for topics you enjoy and watch those shorts. The more you watch, the better YouTube's AI understands your preference. You can also turn on incognito mode to watch without affecting recommendations, and deleting and reinstalling the YouTube app can help reset suggestions faster. Now if shorts still show irrelevant videos, create a new YouTube account for fresh recommendation. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to reset your YouTube Shorts recommendation and see videos you actually like. Try these steps and refresh your feed today. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.